Artec's brand new Robo Links Advanced set was developed specifically to introduce children to the world of mechanics and engineering.
Amongst many others, the set covers such basic concepts as force, movement, and how these are transmitted in real life using motors, gears, and linkages.
Gear tires, base plates, and more blocks are added to the basic set. You can learn more complicated mechanisms in a fun way.
A fully illustrated instruction manual helps to guide you every step of the way.
No screws or tools are needed with Robo Links Advanced.
That means you can spend less time building with more time to study each mechanism and explore new ideas.
Robo Links Advanced lets you rebuild again and again.
If you have an idea for a new mechanism, just take apart your blocks and make it. Our fully illustrated instruction manual has been developed in accordance with the most recent educational standards in engineering. What is more, the manual helps to establish a connection between the theoretical knowledge covered and its application in real life. This is done by introducing many everyday mechanisms such as parallel cranks, lever cranks, and parallel slider crank, to name a few.
Instruction manual of basic set is also included in the set so you can easily learn mechanisms from basic to advanced. The manual provides step-by-step instructions on building 9 types of amazing robots, including 4 types from the basic set.
This vital part allows to reinforce the theoretical knowledge covered by building sample robot models to get a clear idea of how each robot moves hands-on. The set includes the following Artec Robo and Artec block parts.
Robo Links Advanced is the perfect kit to allow children to make their first steps in the complicated fields of engineering and mechanics in a fun and hands-on manner.